Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Yehua wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. 4K is possible. Woo! HDMI wireless extender. It's an HDMI wireless transmitter and a receiver suitable for streaming device like Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever, right? Meeting streaming. For your Switch, for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, for your Xbox, for your whatever game console you can buy and which contains an HDMI slot, you can use it with that. Or it is good to laptop or HDTV, projector, monitor, computer, of course, iPad, Apple devices, smartphones. Nearly everything is possible. The HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver comes up to 4K wireless HDMI transmitter, okay? This kit here from Yehua supports wireless streaming of HD 4K 3D films. Television shows, videos, games, and presentation from our laptop, personal computer, Mac, PlayStation 4 and 5, Switch, satellite box, HDSLR camera to HDTV, projector or monitor. It would be a perfect combination for conference rooms, digital home theater, gaming center, TV channels, etc., etc. That means plug and play, as you can see. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is easy to use, without driver or app required. Without massive wires, this wireless HDMI extender is easy to connect and remote charge and does not affect other wireless devices in the power source and the device, and we can wirelessly mirror and share all content on the big screen, including pictures, videos, online games, online movies, web browsing, online shopping, documents, and more and more and more. And 4K Ultra HD. Boah. This HDMI transmitter and receiver supports a video resolution up to 4K. These are 3840 to 2160 pixels. And more resolutions you can possibly use as you like. 1080p Full HD or 720p. That is HD ready. The final resolution is determined by the original resolution of the video. The built-in high-quality chip can prevent delays and delays caused by signal interferences. We can enjoy clear and vivid images on a larger screen. And we have high-quality wireless transmission here. In an open field, the distance of the wireless transmission from high-resolution HDMI audio-video signals is up to 50 meters. The signal can also transmit 10 up to 20 meters through a wall. The transmission distance is enough to cover the entire conference room or rooms at home. So we don't need to buy a long HDMI cable to extend the video signals. We can use it wireless. Yeah, that's good. It is small and portable. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is small. We can take it anywhere we want to use it conveniently. We can watch television or play games anywhere. This wireless HDMI transmitter is an ideal accessory for family entertainment and business meeting in the office. And you can see you can also use this wireless transmitter to connect to it Wi-Fi by the Wi-Fi. It's really easy. Connect to the Wi-Fi transmitter here, and then you can go and use Apple AirPlay, for example, to this device, and this device will then makes it possible, and it will shows you all settings. You can choose the settings in a special IP. This is the 192.168.203.1. Then the password was 1234567 8, and then you can make a maintenance by using your iPad, for example, of course your computer, laptop, what else. This is the Yehua wireless HDMI transmitter and a receiver in 4K wireless HDMI extender for meeting, streaming, Switch, PlayStation, video, laptop, HDTV, projector, monitor, and Xbox, of course. And it's really easy. We connect the HD port or the VGA port of the receiver to the video input port of the display device, such as the monitor or a television. The receiver looks like a little router, okay, with the two antennas. Then we connect the USB-C power supply port of the receiver to the charging cable and plug it into the power adapter. Voltage above 5 volts, current above 2 ampere. We adjust the HD signal source of the monitor or the television to the corresponding HD port until the boost screen is displayed. Then we connect the transmitter to the computer or other devices with an HD video output function. After the indicator light enters the fast flash state, we wait for 10 seconds to complete casting, and then this two is paired, and automatically it will be mirroring the screen, for example. The product has been paired out of the factory. In case of pairing failure, due to improved operation or other circumstance during use, it is necessary to restore and repair the device easily, okay? Because we press the receiver function button for more than 3 seconds and the prompt will pop up on the interface. Release the button to the pair with the EZTX. We wait for the transmitter to enter the pairing mode. We press the transmitter function button for more than 3 seconds. The indicator will flash for pairing and we wait until it is connected successfully. If we are going to change the settings, we search the receiver in the wireless network. The name is Yehua, and then there is a number behind it. The default password is 1 up to 8. We open the mobile or tablet browser and enter the IP. After entering the website, we can operate the distribution network resolution upgrade and restart it by using our device. If we use the receiver alone, so we should open the Projector software in our mobile phone or computer to cooperate. If we use an iOS system, we swipe the screen to enter the Apple device control center. We click the screen mirror and add the Yehua device easily. And after this, you can do the same like before. Android systems, we turn on the screen mirroring function in the phone or tablet. We search and connect the Yehua device, and then you can make a screen sharing. Xiaomi, settings, more connection methods, wireless display. Vivo, settings, more connections method, wireless display. OPPO, settings, more connections method, wireless display, multi-screen interaction. Samsung mobile phone, slide from the top to the bottom and smart view is there for you. You see it really easy. Or then Huawei drop-down menu, wireless projection, multi-screen interaction. So then you can use it easy, really easy. This is the Yehua 4K HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver. It supports HD, 4K, 3D movies, television shows, video games, presentations, and that wireless from our laptop, personal computer, Mac, smartphone, PlayStation 4 and 5, Switch, satellite field, HDSLR cameras to the HDTV, projector or monitor. This wireless HDMI dongle is an ideal accessory for family entertainment and office business. We have no more massive things there. With the Yehua 4K wireless HDMI transmitter at home or in the office, we cannot enjoy a real crystal clear HDMI with almost no latency time from a small screen to a large screen wirelessly, and this is possible with that device here. We can do that. We avoid hitches of installing a complex and expansive wiring infrastructure in the office. No more hassle to connect devices with multiple HDMI cables or frequently install wiring or adjust the placement of devices and displays. The Yehua, the HDMI wireless transmission and receiver kit, supports simultaneous transmission of video and audio to our projector or display. If we only encounter synchronized video, but not synchronized sound during use, we change our computer sound output option to ECS cast, okay? And we can make click to connect and restore. The button on the transmitter holds the disconnect quickly to our device to easily protect our private content. The HDMI wireless transmission and receiver are real plug and play for streaming, Switch, PlayStation 4, video, audio, laptop, smartphone, and transmitters to everything what's possible with HDMI. This is awesome and easy. Yehua wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, a good kit for home and office. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.